Hi, I'm Alia. So today I have a little different video for you guys. I am in Shanghai at the moment and I am in this lovely hotel room. So I thought I would give you like a little tour, let's say, of the room while learning how the furniture is called in Slovenian. Alright, so for example, behind me there is a TV, right? So in Slovenian we would say televizija. Okay? Televizija. And in a sentence I can say na televiziji gledam poročila. Na televiziji gledam poročila. So this means on the TV I am watching the news. Na televiziji, on the TV, gledam, jaz gledam, so I am watching. Poročila. Poročila are the news. Okay? Alright, so then let's continue. Maybe there's a sofa. See? So there's like a sofa. So we say couch. Or even like sedežna garnitura, but no one really uses that, maybe in shopping magazines. So next would be, let's say there, see, there's a couch. So we also say couch. So let's say if I just go and sit, so I can say sedim na couchu, which means I'm sitting on the couch, right? So let's say right now my mom calls me, right? I have my phone here and she's like, what are you doing? Kaj delaš? What are you doing? I can say nič, sedim na couchu. Nothing, I'm sitting on the couch. Alright? Alright, next, let's say we were watching the TV. Then on the table, which is miza, we will get to that in a moment, is the linec. Okay? In Ljubljana we would just say the linc, but the linec. Okay? So TV remote controller thing. Alright? So s lincem prižgem televizijo. So with the remote control, I turn on the TV. Alright, then the next word, let's learn miza. Alright, so table. Alright, so an example, na mizi je voda. So on the table there is water, because I have this bottle of water here, right? Alright, and I even have some candies, if you can see. So I can say na mizi so čokolade. So on the table there are chocolates. So is R, čokolade is plural for chocolate. So chocolate. Alright, then let's continue. Here we have inside there is a little fridge, so I'll just turn this around for a moment. Alright, so we open this and then we open again. So as you can see, this is the fridge and we call it hladilnik. Okay, so hladilnik is the fridge, so I can say u hladilniku je pijača. So in the fridge there are drinks. Okay, so one more time, u hladilniku, in the refrigerator, je is pijača, so are drinks. All right, oh, even a chocolate is there. All right. Here is another miza. So what did we say before? Na mizi so čokolade, right? Now we can say na mizi so plastenke. So on the table there are plastic bottles. So this is plastenka because it's plastic. But if it was made from glass, like this one, then it's steklenica. Alright, so if the bottle is made from glass, it's steklenica, right? And if it's plastic, it's plastenka. Alright? Then what else do we have here? Let's see. Honey, we say med. Okay? We can say med je zelo sladek. Right? So, med je zelo sladek. Med is honey. Je zelo is very. So, zelo is very. And sladek is sweet. Alright. Then let's continue. What else do we have here? Glasses. Alright, so I guess this is wine glass, water glass, and so on. So this would be kozarci. So kozarci is plural, alright, so kozarci, and kozarec is singular, so this is kozarec. So I can say, okay, alright, and so we said this is kozarec, and now I put some water inside, right? So I can say, u kozarcu je voda, alright, so in the glass there is water, right? But maybe you have wine inside, you can say, v kozarcu je vino. Alright, so in the glass there is wine. Alright, or if I drink a little, so I can say iz kozarca pijem vodo. So from the glass, iz kozarca, pijem, I drink vodo, water. Alright, and then this is skodelica, and it has a spoon inside, yeah? So skodelica is a cup, and a spoon is žlica, right? So žlica, see, je v skodelici. So the spoon is in the cup. Alright, then let's continue. What else would be interesting? Oh, there is a lamp. So this would be luč. I think it's kind of broken, I need to fix it. But anywho, so let's say I turn it on, I would say prižgem luč. So I turn the light on. Okay, or if I'm, let's say, telling you prižgi luč. So I'm asking you, please turn the light on, I can't see. Alright, so one more time. Prižgi, which means to turn on. Prižgi luč. Turn the light on. Right? And now this is the desk, so where you can work. We just call it miza. For us, desk and table are the same word, but maybe if you really want to specify that it's a desk, then you would say pisalna miza. So pisalna miza is a desk. Alright, and for table you can say jedilna miza. So jedilna miza. Alright, anywho, let's continue. Here I have my laptop. So laptop is prenosnik or prenosni računalnik. So prenosnik, prenosni računalnik. But you can even just say računalnik, like computer. Alright. What else is there? So stol, chair. Before we had sedim na couchu, right? So right now, let's say, okay, you want to sit on this chair as well. And you say like, oh, I want to sit on the chair, and you kind of give me an order. Ustani iz stola, which means like, get up from your chair. Okay, so ustani means like this, yeah, to get up. All right. Or if you have guests and you want to say like, oh, please sit down, you can say usedite se, so sit down. So ustani, get up, usedi, sit down. But before, you probably heard I say usedite se. Usedite is because it's a plural, right? Or if you want to be polite, if I'm talking to someone that's elder, I would say prosim, usedite se. So please sit down, okay? Or if there's a group of people, it's the same, usedite se. All right, cool. I hope these examples make sense. Oh, and there's a phone there. If you can see, right there is a phone. Stationary phone, very old. We say telefon. All right, telefon. And I can say pogovarjam se po telefonu, which means I am talking on the phone, right? Pogovarjam se po telefonu. Pogovarjam se, I am talking. Po telefonu, it's on the phone. Okay. Then let's continue. And here is the first bathroom thing. So this is umivalnik. All right. So hi. So umivalnik, and an example would be u umivalniku, in the sink, si umivam roke. So in the sink I am washing my hands. This is ogledalo, so the mirror. I can say, oh, vidim se u ogledalu. So vidim se means I see myself. U ogledalu means in the mirror, right? So ogledalo. Vidim se u ogledalu. All right. And then here is again luč. Should we turn it off? How do we say? Ugasni luč, right? So turn the light off. I really don't. Oh, I made it. Okay, I made it. Awesome. This is the door. So vrata, vrata. All right. So what can we say? Oh, all right. Odpri vrata. Open the door. Okay. So odpri vrata. Open the door. Zapri vrata is close the door. All right, so odpri is open the door, zapri is close the door. So I'm telling you, zapri vrata, close the door, or odpri vrata, open the door. And it's also nice if you say prosim, so please. All right.